Okay, so this is the wig I chose for my used wig selection. Now I'm just actually showing the progress. So I picked the wig and I started braiding. This is what I have so far. I just started on the back. This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, so there's tracks in the back. I'm halfway done. Now all I have is the little piece. Now I'm dipping the wig and I'm ready to rock and roll. After I braid any wig, I always start by brushing down the edges of the wig, tying it down and moussing it and tying it up for about an hour just to let the frizzies go all the way down and mold itself. So now I am cutting the excess cap off of my bald cap so that I can do the installation. I'm going to put my makeup on my edges. You know the routine. And just watch me work. Now I'm just taking a bit of the freeze spray and spraying inside the braids around the edges and blow drying it so that it can get really stiff. I want to make sure this baby won't go nowhere. And braids are so good for the summertime because it has all the spaces. You don't really have to worry about sweating that much. For some reason, your lace will just breathe. So now I'm just going to cut my baby hair and lay it down a little bit, but I'm really not going to do any lines or designs with the baby hair today. Normally when I do my braids, I don't. I just have it kind of raspy, just brush it down a little bit. thin out this baby hair a little bit with these tweezers. That way I won't look so much like a wolf. The big reveal. I like it. It's cute, y'all, huh? So now I'm going to take a few of these gold rings and braid accessories and just place them on a few of my braids to contour my face. Just a quick little ponytail to the side for now. And that's it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please let me know how you like it. And if you did use some individuals, how would you wear your hair?